Hello, my name is Anthony,
And my name is Shishir.
and today we will be presenting our Juni Learning Hackathon project with you. We did this on Unity because we were told that as long as we have a shareable link with our project, it's allowed. So we'll show you how we got that later. But to start off, our game is a bunch of objects, and these objects have scripts. So our main object is our player on the snowboard, and he has two scripts accompanying him called movement and collision. So for movement, it essentially allows us to move left and right when we press the A and B keys. And the collision, it just checks whether or not our player has collided with an obstacle. And if he has collided, he will stop, and then the general manager, another script, will receive this information, and it will restart the game after 2 seconds. And then we have one last script. This is just so that our camera follows our player. It's not too long, it's just a little basic thing. And then Shishir is going to show you all our different objects.
So for our first object, we have a rock, and this is just a matted cube. And another object we had is trees, and this is just two different cubes that we just matted differently for different colors that give it that winter effect. And we also had some snowmen, and we thought this would add a really cool effect to our game. So next, Anthony's going to show you a little bit of the gameplay, and we hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, so when we start our game, we're going to use the A and B keys to move around the map. So we move forward at constant rates, but then we use our A and B keys to move left and right and avoid other obstacles. And when you hit an obstacle, the game will restart, but you will also stop moving. So now Shishir is going to show you how we got our shareable link from this.
So at first we thought this task was going to be like impossible, but after looking up a few videos for help, we found that we could use a WebGL to post it as a game. And what we did is we went into build settings as a WebGL and then pressed build and run or build, and this created a folder, and we had to create a folder for this to go into. And then after this was done, it showed us in a web browser what our game was like. But to create a shareable link, we had to actually download the game to a website, and this was called Simmer.io, and Anthony will show you this right now.
Yeah, so this is the website with the shareable link. So this is our game running, and anybody can go to this link and play our game. And this is how we are submitting it to you. And that's just about it. So thank you for your time, and we would like to just make sure that you have a good time.